Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin. Day 8 is here and I have a fun red truck home decor piece just for you. Welcome to Fixin' 2. Well guys, you know that I like the red truck. Love the red truck. I don't just like it, I love the red truck. And I have done a few things for you guys here lately, and I have another super cute home decor piece just for you. We're going to be using a frame, a picture frame. This is an 8x10 frame. You can make it as big as you want to. I wouldn't suggest anything smaller than an 8x10, but you sure can do it for sure, especially with those little mini red trucks. You can do smaller frames if you want to. We're also going to be using 2 of these picks that we got from the Dollar Tree, of course. Some ribbon. Now this ribbon came from the Dollar Tree and it was the Red Truck Merry Christmas ribbon that they had. And then I got this from Big Lots, and this is the red and black buffalo check. So I got that from Big Lots. And then of course our famous red truck ornament. We're going to be using this, as well as some bottle brush trees. I got this pack of 4 for $3 at Big Lots. So we're going to be using 2 of these. So guys, I'm ready to get this party started. So let's get to it. So the first thing we did, I went ahead and painted this frame. Now I got this frame from the thrift store. Dollar Tree does have 8x10. They're just not as thick as this one, but I got this, and I want to say that it was $1.50, maybe $1.99 at the thrift store, and I just took all of the guts out of it, and you can kind of see what it did look like before. And painted it with my Waverly white chalk paint. And so we're going to go ahead and prep everything else that we need. So let's set this aside. And we're going to go ahead and take care of getting our truck ready. Now, I don't really like the Christmas trees that are on these little trucks here. I just don't like the color, and I don't know, they get smushed up and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to just pull that off. Should come off pretty easy. And if you want to save it and use it for something else, you can. We also, it's got this wire down here at the bottom. I'm just going to snip these little wires and separate this. And now we've got my little truck. Now the neat thing about this little truck is it has, if you can see, right here, it has 2 holes. So that's just screaming, put some trees there, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that as well. Let's open up our bottle brush trees. And we're going to take 2 of these, and these little plastic things you should be able to kind of twist them out because they're just kind of glued in there, and take those off. You won't need those. See, super simple. And if you'll see, they fit right down in there just perfectly. So we are going to glue those down in there, and you're going to have 2 trees just like that. That's super cute. So let's put a little bit of glue on them and get them set down in there. So now that those are done, we're going to set that aside, bring our frame back in, and now what we're going to do is we are going to create a little swag. And what I like to do is just kind of lay them out. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting them up here in the top corner. So we'll glue it down and all that, but we may need to cut it off just a little bit so that we can get these up here. So now we have our little swag that we're going to put here. So we're going to glue these down, and then we're going to create a bow to put here, and we'll put our truck down here. Super, super simple. Another thing that we can do to help keep this on the frame and not fall off is we're going to take zip ties and go around the stem here, because all of that there will be covered up with a bow. So now we have our swag on there. So now let's go ahead and put the truck right down here. So far, so good. Now let's make our bow. And what we're going to do is I'm going to measure out 3 18-inch pieces of the truck ribbon and 3 18-inch pieces of our buffalo check ribbon. I did a bow tutorial for you at the beginning of the Christmas season, and I will make sure that I link that in the iCards above and down in the description box below so that you can go and see how to make this particular bow in more detail. Just looks so stinking cute. Check it out. So now I'm going to take a piece of floral wire, and you can use floral wire to do this and leave your tails to be able to do that, but I just like the way that the zip ties pull it super tight, so you want to make sure that they are super tight. So now I'm just going to kind of thread my floral wire through. So let's fluff up our bow now. Oh, let's make it look super cute and pretty and just awesome. And there you go, guys. This can go on a door, on the wall, wherever you would like for it to go. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is my favorite so far. I love the way that this turned out. And of course, you guys know I love my little red truck. I think that this is pretty awesome. And I hope you guys enjoy it too and see how simple this is to make beautiful home decor pieces on a budget. So I'm so glad I did this one for you. And of course, for me too, because I'm definitely putting this in my home. You guys, it has been so fun so far, and we have a few more to go. So if this is the first time to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out the channel and check out our 12 days of Dollar Tree Christmas. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of this fun time that we're having at Christmas. I'll also have the playlist listed above of all of the other 12 days that we've done so far. Again, this was day 8, so we are just hitting the stride towards the end, seeing the finish line there, and I'm having a blast. Make sure that you share that playlist with your friends and family so that they too can come along and be inspired to decorate their homes and make it something that they love coming home to. Well, you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.